channel. Today I'm going to be showing you all of my red fidgets. So let's get started. First, we're gonna start in here. I don't have that many red fidgets. So I don't even know if I have a red stress ball. Yeah, guys. I don't even have a red stress ball. Or wait, wait, guys. Wait. Where is it? Does this count? I did not count this for my green. I think it's red. Yes, we're gonna count this. Yes. Okay. Next room. Okay, so we have this red snake. We have this red pop tube. We have this red thing. This red thing. A red spike ball. Another red pop tube. Another red pop tube. Comment down below if you would say this is red. Yeah, it looks red. Okay. I don't think I have a red monkey noodle. Wait, I don't think I've ever seen a red monkey noodle. Oh. That might be rare. Okay. Next. Okay. I have this red square poppet. Okay, next. So, I don't know. Oh, guys, I have this red, Play-Doh thing. I think I have some red kinetic sand. I have this, is this red? Let's see. Okay, yep, guys, this is definitely red. Okay, next. I think I have red kinetic sand. Yes, here it is. Honestly, I don't really like kinetic sand. I have this red slime that's kind of sticky. But, yeah. Okay, I think that's all my red fidgets. So, make sure to comment down below what colors you want me to do next. I have red, orange, white. We could do white. I don't know. Just comment down below like any colors if I missed colors. Like, yeah. So, bye.